Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a handy feature of the Messenger app on PC that lets you mute notifications from specific groups. Whether you're part of a busy group chat or just want some peace and quiet, this simple guide will help you manage your notifications effectively. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Messenger app on your PC. Step 2. Next, find the group chat that you want to mute. Step 3. Once you're in the chat, look for the 3 dots located at the top of the conversation. Click on those dots. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Mute. Step 5. You'll then see options to choose how long you want to mute notifications. Pick the duration that works best for you, and then click on Mute to confirm your selection. And that's it. You've successfully muted notifications from that specific group. This feature is perfect for when you need to focus or simply want a break from constant alerts. Remember, you can always unmute the group later if you change your mind. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.